Saw a lot of rain come through San Antonio, hoping it's not the same situation here at Brooks.
No, it would take a lot for us to get anything resembling San Antonio, but that said, we're going to see some heavy rain. The reason is that San Antonio has had more rain in about a 3-hour period than they've had in the last 3 months. It all came at once with this disturbance moving through and another one developing on the back side of it. We are also catching a piece of that disturbance, but not the 1-2 punch back-to-back. We'll have a couple of hours between waves of rain, but this stuff is heavy. We'll have periods of it throughout the day today. One of them moving through right now, heavy rains from the northeast side all the way southwest through El Campo. So it's basically hugging 59. Downtown Houston right now getting hammered with torrential rains. Street flooding is possible, if not already in progress in some of those slow or poor drainage areas. Rainfall is running at about 2 inches plus per hour. So this is rolling through. We're only going to have it raining hard like this for about 45 minutes or so in any one spot. So you could easily pick up 1.5 inches of rain. Not enough to cause massive flash flooding, but this will saturate things certainly and get us set up for the potential if we have any more heavy rain developing later on this afternoon. Right now, heavy rain from Sunnyside through Fresno, Brazos Bend State Park, all the way down through West Columbia, southward into the Sugar Valley area of Matagorda County, right on the Brazoria County line. This stuff moving east, by the way, at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. You can see that progression. Lots of cloud to ground lightning right across the downtown area right now. This is the dangerous kind of lightning, so heads up on that. In fact, we've had 44 strikes in just the last 15 minutes around the Houston metro region. So there could even be, I'd speculate, the potential of a couple power outages, if not from wind gusts over 30 miles an hour from these squalls that'll continue to go through into this afternoon, but maybe some of those lightning strikes. Here's the shot at 3 o'clock. You can see the rain just continues on our future track forecast. 5 o'clock evening commute, if indeed this does happen by this time of the day, if again we get heavy rain that's persisting in certain areas, that's where we'd see that higher water possibility. But by 10 o'clock, loss of daytime heating, the departure of that mid-level storm system, the rain should turn off. So this is what we're looking at for today with our periods of heavy rain, periodic downpours, 1 to 6 inches of rain. So pretty broad range there for you, but there could be spots getting soaked while the others, for the most part, will manage to escape any kind of horrible weather. Impacts, street flooding possible, and the duration lingering through the afternoon commute. The other story is Tropical Storm Franklin with winds of 60 miles per hour. This is going to affect people on vacation from Houston who are visiting Yucatan Peninsula, Playa del Carmen, Cancun, even Belize, set to make landfall tonight. And then after that, it'll merge into the Bay of Campeche and then re-strengthen with winds of 70 miles per hour, affecting areas from Tampico to Veracruz. Now, this will not affect Houston directly, but we will see in Houston some increased seas this weekend from swells. But you can see on satellite, this actually looks like it may be trying to develop almost an eye-like feature. So potential this can become a hurricane unexpectedly. It only needs about 13 more miles per hour to start approaching that, and a very impressive satellite presentation. So 12 hours from landfall there at the Yucatan, 600 miles south of Houston, so no direct impact here, but we could see weakened swells and rip currents in Texas. Right now, 84 degrees in Moody Gardens. It is starting to pour. Here's downtown, 79 degrees. Hard to see the buildings through all that rain. Rain chances running at about 80% through 2 o'clock, and then after that, we'll start to see rain chances generally slowly diminishing. Check it out for the next 7 days. 80% chance of rain today, 60% chance of rain tomorrow, and then we'll catch a break from the rain for the most part toward the late part of the work week. So, Reka, we are on weather watch today, thankfully dodging any kind of tropical impacts, but certainly seeing some tropical downpours today.
Okay, have that umbrella out and be careful on the roadways.
Definitely,
Thanks,
for sure.
Brooks. Coming up.